Hi everyone, welcome to the lecture 16 of higher order differential equation unit number 3. In this lecture we are going to solve examples based on Cauchy's and Legendre's differential equation. Okay, so this is the next example. 2x plus 1 square d2y by dx square minus 2 into 2x plus 1 dy by dx minus 12y equal to 6x. Now if you see the coefficient of derivatives, they are in the terms of variables. Okay, so these are the problems of Cauchy or Legendre's. But if you see the coefficient of derivative, they are in the form of linear factor of the type ax plus b. Okay, and we know the definition of Legendre's differential equation. Whenever we have this type of factor, linear factors, it is a Legendre's differential equation, right? So here, the given differential equation is Legendre's linear differential equation, you can say. Okay, therefore for Legendre's linear differential equation we have discussed the substitution also. We replace that factor ax plus b by e raised to z. Here the factor ax plus b is 2x plus 1. We are going to put by e raised to z. So this will imply z equal to log of 2x plus 1. Sorry, 1, not b. Okay, for this substitution, the values of these terms we replace 2x plus 1 dy by dx, we are going to replace by ax plus b into dy by dx get replaced by a into dy. So here a is 2, a equal to 2, therefore 2 into capital dy, where d is d by dz. Okay, this derivative is with respect to z. Now 2x plus 1 square d2y by dx square, we are going to replace by 2 square, that is a square is 2 square d into d minus 1 y. Okay, now there is no cubic term, so only these two terms we are going to replace. Now on using above values in given differential equation, it becomes first term is second degree term, so it will get replaced by 2 square d into d minus 1 y, right? Now second term is minus 2 times, this is minus 2 times, this 2x plus 1 dy by dx we are going to replace by capital dy. Last term is minus 12y, that is as it is. Right hand side we have 6 into x, so we have determined here, we have the value of 2x plus 1 equal to e raised to z. So from that the value of x can be determined. If you solve this for x, we will get x equal to e raised to z minus 1 by 2. Okay, so it will be 6 times e raised to z minus 1 by 2. Now club these terms together, take y common, 2 square is 4, so we'll have here 4 into, this is d square minus d minus 2d minus 12, y common, 6 into e raised to z minus 1 by 2. Now if you multiply by 4 inside, we will get here minus 4d, this minus 2d will become minus 60. So finally this will look like 4d square minus 60 minus 12 y equal to 6 into e to the power z minus 1 by 2. Okay, now again this can be written as 4d square minus 6d minus 12y, 6 by 2 is 3 e raised to z minus 1. Okay, this is the new differential equation with constant coefficient. So we need to solve this differential equation further. Again this 4 also we can divide this by 2. I think one term is remained here, 2 dy. We need to replace this by 2 dy, and in the problem 2 is also there, so 2 into 2, actually this will become 2 into 2, 4 dy. So here we'll have 4d, and because of that here will be 8d. Now we can divide this by 4. So after dividing by 4, we'll get d square minus 2d minus 3y equal to 3 by 4 e raised to z minus 1. If you don't want to divide, then still okay, but we can divide it and we can get the differential equation in more simpler form. Okay, now consider auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is d square minus 2d minus 3 equal to 0. It can be factorized as 3 minus 3 and plus 1. Okay, so the factors will be d minus 3, d plus 1 equal to 0. So this will imply d equal to plus 3 and d equal to minus 1. This will be the roots. Therefore CF, real roots we have c1 e raised to 3 z. This is the differential equation in terms of z. Therefore z plus c2 e raised to minus z. Okay, this will be CF. Give this equation number next. You can say 2. Now pi, particular integral, equal to 1 upon 5 of d. We have on the right hand side function of z. So f of z, 5 of d is d square minus 2d minus 3, and f of z is 3 by 4 times e raised to z minus 1. Now again two functions are there. 3 by 4 can be written in the beginning. It is a constant. Inside bracket we'll have t square minus 2d minus 3 operating on e raised to z minus 1 upon d square minus 2d minus 3 operating on 1. Now for this we are going to replace d equal to 1. For this we are going to replace d equal to 0. This is the constant function, and here coefficient of z is 1, so d equal by 1. After doing that, we'll get pi equal to 3 by 4 in the beginning. So if you replace in this polynomial d equal to 1, so we'll get here 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 2 minus 5. Okay, so we'll get here minus 1 by d square is 1 by 1 minus d square is 1 minus 2 minus 3 e raised to z, and here after putting 0 we'll get minus 3 in the denominator. Okay, so 3 by 4, this is 1 minus 5 minus 4, so minus e raised to z by 4 minus minus plus 1 by 3. After multiplying by 3 by 4 inside, we will get 1 by 4 minus 3 by 16 e raised to z. This will be your pi. Now general solution, y equal to CF plus pi. CF is C1 e raised to 3z plus C2 e raised to minus z plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 16 e raised to z. Now finally back substitution. E raised to z is what? Z is log of 2x plus 1. Okay, and e raised to z is 2x plus 1. So e raised to z is 2x plus 1. We have cube of that. So here we'll have 2x plus 1 cube plus C2. We have e raised to z raised to minus 1. E raised to minus z means e raised to z raised to minus 1. So 2x plus 1 raised to minus 1. That can be written as 1 by 2x plus 1. Plus 1 by 4 is a constant. 3 by 16 e raised to z is 2x plus 1. So this will be your final solution. Okay, in terms of x. Now another problem. So this is another problem. Solve 3x plus 2 square d2y by dx square plus 3 into 3x plus 2 dy by dx minus 36y equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 1. Again this is Legendre's differential equation type. Okay, so we'll put the factor, linear factor 3x plus 2 by e raised to z. So that will imply z equal to log of 3x plus 2. And if you solve for x, we'll get, we have to solve this for x because on the right hand side we are having terms of x. So x equal to e raised to z minus 2 by 3 after from this equation. Okay, now this will imply 3x plus 2 dy by dx equal to 3 dy. A dy we have, a is 3. 3x plus 2 square d2y by dx square will be equal to 3 square d into d minus 1 y, because a is 3, so 3 square. Now on putting these values in given differential equation, we'll get 9 into d minus d1 y plus 3 into 3 dy. This 3 into 3 dy minus 36y equal to this right hand side, 3 into x square plus 4 into x plus 1. Okay, now after simplifying this, we'll get the right hand side as 1 by 3 e raised to 2z minus 1. and here and here 9d square minus 36y equal to this. So again by dividing by 9 throughout, d square minus 4y equal to 1 by 27 e raised to 2z minus 1. So this will be the final simplified form of the new differential equation. Okay. Now auxiliary equation of this differential equation is d square minus 4 equal to 0. This will imply d equal to plus minus 2. Therefore the CF will be C1 e raised to 2z plus C2 e raised to minus 2z. Equation number 1. Now PI calculation 1 upon phi of d. Here we have f of z. Phi of d is d square minus 4. F of z is 1 by 27 e raised to 2z minus 1. 1 by 27 e raised to 2z minus 1. Now 1 by 27 can be written in the beginning. Inside a bracket d square minus 4 e raised to 2z minus 1 by d square minus 4 1. Now put here d equal to 2, here d equal to 0. So 1 by 27 by shortcut methods. Mostly we get a right hand side function such that shortcut methods are applicable in Cauchy's and Legendre's problem. Okay. So if you put d, here case will get fail if you put d equal to 2. Therefore we'll multiply by z. Instead of x will multiply by z in the numerator. Differentiate this. The derivative will be 2d 2z. This is the case of failure. Okay. Therefore here we'll get minus 1 by 4. So that will give us plus 1 by 4. Now after simplifying, 1 by d is what? Integration. So after integrating with this 1 by 27 as it is, after integration we'll get here one more 2 which is 4 e raised to 2z plus 1 by 4. Okay, so this will be the final particular integral. Now CF and PI we are going to add. So this will get after adding CF and PI, and after back substitution this is e raised to 2z, that is square of e raised to z. So e raised to z is 3x plus 2 its square. Here minus 2, therefore raised to minus 2. 1 by 108 z e raised to 2z. Okay, so e raised to z 2z is the z 3x plus 2 square and z is log z. Okay, so this is how you will get the solution. So this is the final solution. Now some problem for homework, you try them at home. These are the examples. First one, x plus 2 square d2y by dx square minus x plus 2 into dy by dx plus y equal to 3x plus 4. The answer for this problem is y equal to x plus 2 into c1 plus c2 log x plus 2. This is the CF plus 3 by 2 into x plus 2 into log of x plus 2 square minus 2. So this is the particular integral. And the next is x cube d3y by dx cube plus 3x square d2y by dx square plus x dy by dx plus 8y equal to 65 cos of log x. The first problem is of the type Legendre's differential equation, and the second problem is of the type Cauchy's differential equation. Both are the examples you have to solve. The third degree, here we are having degree 3, so you will need the value of x cube d3y by dx cube also after doing the substitution x equal to e raised to z. And this is the solution for that problem. Pi equal to c1 x raised to minus 2 plus x into c2 cos root 3 log x plus c3 sin root 3 log x minus sin log x. Up to this CF is there, and after that particular integral minus sin log x plus 8 cos log x. Okay, so try to complete this problem, and this completes the topic Cauchy's differential equation and Legendre's differential equation. In the next topic, the last remaining part of the unit number 3, that we are going to start applications of differential equation. There are total 3 different applications. One by one we are going to complete all of them. So thank you.